Ever thought your favorite snack could be a hidden danger? Today, we're uncovering a shocking truth about bananas and what you should never eat with them. Trust me, you'll want to stay till the end to learn the best and worst food combinations for your health. Let's jump right in. Did you know that pairing bananas with a certain common food could increase your risk of cancer and dementia? You won't believe what it is. Keep watching to find out and protect your health. First up, let's reveal the culprit. It's processed sugar. Eating bananas with processed sugar can cause a dangerous spike in blood sugar levels, leading to increased risks of cancer and dementia over time. The combination might seem harmless, but it can wreak havoc on your health. Processed sugar is found in a variety of foods that we consume daily, including candies, baked goods, sodas, and even some savory foods like sauces and bread. Unlike natural sugars found in fruits, processed sugar is refined and stripped of its nutrients, making it a source of empty calories. Numerous studies have linked high sugar consumption to a host of health issues. These include obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and, as we'll discuss today, increased risks of cancer and dementia. When combined with naturally sweet fruits like bananas, the impact on your health can be even more severe. When you consume sugar, it quickly enters your bloodstream, causing a spike in blood sugar levels. Your pancreas responds by releasing insulin to help cells absorb the sugar for energy. However, excessive sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, where your cells don't respond effectively to insulin, leading to higher blood sugar levels and increased fat storage. High blood sugar levels can create an environment that promotes the growth of cancer cells. Cancer cells thrive on sugar, and high insulin levels can stimulate their growth. Studies have shown that individuals with high sugar diets have a higher risk of developing certain types of cancer, including breast and colon cancer. But the dangers don't stop at cancer. Excessive sugar consumption has also been linked to cognitive decline and dementia. High blood sugar levels can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, which are key factors in the development of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. This makes it crucial to be mindful of our sugar intake, especially when pairing it with naturally sweet fruits like bananas. When you eat bananas with processed sugar, your blood sugar levels skyrocket. This constant high blood sugar can lead to insulin resistance, inflammation, and eventually serious health issues like cancer and dementia. It's crucial to be mindful of what we pair with our foods. Imagine your blood sugar levels like a roller coaster. When you consume bananas with processed sugar, your blood sugar spikes rapidly, giving you a quick burst of energy. However, this is often followed by a crash, leaving you feeling tired and craving more sugar. This cycle can lead to overeating and weight gain, further increasing your risk of health issues. Insulin resistance is a major consequence of high sugar consumption. When your cells become resistant to insulin, your body needs to produce more to get the same effect, leading to higher insulin levels in your bloodstream. Over time, this can result in type 2 diabetes, a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Chronic inflammation is another side effect of high sugar intake. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to a range of health problems, including heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Sugar can trigger inflammation by increasing levels of inflammatory markers in the body. But don't worry, there are plenty of healthy and delicious ways to enjoy bananas. Here are 3 of the best food combinations for maximum health benefits. Bananas and yogurt make for a perfect breakfast or snack. Yogurt is rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that aid in digestion and boost your immune system. Combining bananas with yogurt can help regulate your digestive system and provide a balanced source of energy. A handful of nuts with a banana is another great option. Nuts are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which can help stabilize your blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are excellent choices to pair with bananas. Mixing bananas with berries creates a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are known for their high antioxidant content, which can protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. A banana and berry smoothie is a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. Now, let's look at the worst food combinations with bananas that you should avoid. Bananas and sugary cereals. Sugary cereals may seem like a quick and easy breakfast option, but they are loaded with refined sugars and lack essential nutrients. Pairing them with bananas can lead to a sugar overload, causing blood sugar spikes and crashes. Opt for whole grain cereals or oats instead. Let's break this down further. Understanding sugary cereals. Most sugary cereals are heavily processed and contain high levels of refined sugar, artificial flavors, and colors. These cereals might taste good and provide a quick energy boost, but they do little to nourish your body. The refined sugars cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, which is often followed by a sharp decline, leaving you feeling tired and hungry soon after eating. Impact on health. Consuming sugary cereals with bananas doubles the sugar intake, which can exacerbate the negative effects on your body. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, weight gain, and an increased risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Better alternatives. If you enjoy having bananas with your breakfast cereal, opt for whole grain or bran cereals that are low in added sugars. Whole grains are digested more slowly, providing a steady release of energy and helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. You can also try adding bananas to a bowl of oatmeal or Greek yogurt for a more balanced and nutritious meal. 2. Bananas and ice cream. Host. As tempting as a banana split might be, the high sugar content in ice cream can be harmful. Ice cream is high in added sugars and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to weight gain and insulin resistance. If you're craving a sweet treat, try a banana with a small serving of dark chocolate instead. Here's why this combination is problematic. High sugar content. Ice cream is typically loaded with added sugars and unhealthy fats. When you add bananas to ice cream, you significantly increase your sugar intake. This combination can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, followed by a crash that leaves you feeling sluggish and craving more sugar. Unhealthy fats. Many ice creams contain trans fats or high levels of saturated fats, which can contribute to heart disease and other health problems. These unhealthy fats can increase cholesterol levels and promote inflammation in the body. Better alternatives. If you're looking for a sweet treat that includes bananas, consider pairing them with a small serving of dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants and has lower sugar content compared to milk chocolate. You can also make a healthy banana ice cream by blending frozen bananas until they reach a creamy consistency. Add a touch of vanilla extract or cocoa powder for extra flavor without the added sugars and unhealthy fats. 3. Bananas and soda. Host. Combining bananas with soda is a big no-no. Soda is one of the worst offenders when it comes to added sugars. Drinking soda with a banana can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels and lead to a sugar crash. Stick to water, herbal tea, or naturally flavored water instead. Why this combination is harmful. Excessive sugar intake. Sodas are notorious for their high sugar content. A single can of soda can contain up to 10 teaspoons of sugar, which is more than the recommended daily intake. When you consume a banana along with soda, you add even more sugar to your diet, which can overwhelm your body's ability to manage blood sugar levels. Impact on metabolism. The high fructose corn syrup found in many sodas can have detrimental effects on metabolism. Unlike glucose, which is processed by every cell in the body, fructose is metabolized primarily by the liver. Excessive fructose intake can lead to fatty liver disease, insulin resistance, and increased fat accumulation around the abdomen. Better alternatives. Instead of pairing bananas with soda, opt for healthier beverage choices. Water, herbal teas, and naturally flavored water are excellent options that won't spike your blood sugar levels. You can also make a refreshing banana smoothie with almond milk, spinach, and a touch of honey for a nutritious and hydrating drink. Before we wrap up, here are a few more tips to help you make the best food choices and keep your health in check. 1. Read food labels carefully. Always read food labels to check for hidden sugars, which can be listed under different names like high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, and glucose. Choose products with little to no added sugars and opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. 2. Practice portion control. Portion control is key to maintaining a healthy diet. Even healthy foods can be harmful in large quantities. Be mindful of your portion sizes and try to balance your meals with a variety of nutrients. 3. Plan your meals. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you avoid unhealthy food choices.